Today I am going to present before you a brief astrological analysis as to why Aam Aadmi Party lost to Bharatiya Janata Party in Delhi Assembly Elections 2025. Here is an astrological analysis of Delhi Assembly election results. Let us have a look at the birth chart of Aam Aadmi Party. The party was created on 26th November 2012 at 12 pm in Delhi. Currently, the party is undergoing Mahadasha of Venus and the current Antardasha is of Saturn. As for BJP, the party was created on 6th April 1980 at 11:45 am in New Delhi. Currently, BJP is undergoing Mahadasha of Moon and the current Antardasha Lord is Mercury. How current Mahadasha and Antardasha of respective party is affecting them as per the Navtara system. Aam Aadmi Party is currently undergoing Mahadasha of Venus, which is the Janma Tara of the party as per the Navtara system. It is considered to be a neutral Tara. Venus is in the nakshatra of Rahu, which is Pratyari Tara. It is a malefic Tara which creates serious hurdles. Now coming to the Antardasha, the current Antardasha is of Saturn, which is Vath Tara for Aam Aadmi Party, and thus it is the most malefic Tara. Vath Tara brings things to an end. Now Saturn is in the nakshatra of Rahu, who is Pratyari Tara, another malefic Tara, which creates serious hurdles. So the Janmatara as well as the current Antardasha Lord, both are being ruled by the Nakshatra Lord Rahu, which is Pratyari Tara, which brings things to an end. The BJP is currently undergoing Mahadasha of Moon, which is Pratyari Tara, giving serious obstacles. However, it is in the nakshatra of Mercury, which is Janmatara, and Janmatara is considered to be neutral. The current Antardasha is of Mercury, which is Janmatara, and thus a neutral Tara, and it is in the nakshatra of Jupiter, which is a Mitra Tara. Mitra Tara is friendly Tara and supports the native. So considering the Taras as discussed right now, the sequence becomes for Aam Aadmi Party like this: neutral Tara, Pratyari Tara, Vadh Tara, and again Pratyari Tara. So 4 Taras are there, and out of which 3 are against the party at the current time. As for BJP, the sequence is Pratyari Tara, Janmatara, Janmatara, Mitra Tara. So here, out of 4, 1 is bad, 2 are neutral, and 1 is friendly. So we can very well see here in very simple manner that the constellations of respective parties are playing their role, and constellations of BJP are favoring it, whereas the constellations of Aam Aadmi Party are working against it. So it is evident that the constellations which are playing their role for respective parties during this period are in favor of BJP and totally against Aam Aadmi Party. This tells why AAP lost Delhi to BJP. This was a brief analysis, and those who know Navtara system will be able to understand this. I am Raghuvanshi Vivek Singh. I am an astrology, Vastu and tarot expert. If you have any questions or queries, or you want to discuss anything about your birth chart, you may contact me at the number given here, 98125 93093. Namaskar.